with those are celebrating. Rejoice with those are rejoicing. So that your whole celebration will near to you. Your whole celebration will be at your door. Okay, guys. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are fine. My name is Lady Flash. And let me use this medium to appreciate my old subscriber. And if you are new, you are welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you will be the first person to notify. Thank you, guys. I really do appreciate you all. And don't stop sharing my video. Continue sharing my video, guys. I love you all. God will bless you all for doing that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, my people, waiting I carry come today and I back this our brother. Who is that again? Davido. I know some people will say, oh, this girl, this woman, he always carry Davido. Why? You always carry Davido news. Yes, I carry his news because I like him. I like him. I like him. Okay? I like him. That is why I always talk about him. I like him. Our brother you don't go release one car where they call Lamborghini. Okay? I know most of you know that car is not a child car. Okay, guys? It's not a child car. You know? It's a big man car. So our brother don't go release that car. He arrived out of that car. I will show you the video at the end. And try to watch this video to the end, guys. Okay? So our brother don't go release that car, come out. What do we go do now? Huh? We go follow and celebrate. You understand? I like good thing. If I see anybody that do something that I can't do now, I cannot say maybe I will not do it in the future, but I can't do it now. I will celebrate with him or her so that good thing will also come to me. Yeah, that is it. And some people don't know that. When some people see that someone have a new thing or someone buy something they cannot do, someone do something they cannot do, then we'll be jealous. For you to join that person to celebrate, you will be jealous of that person. And which is very bad. And if you are doing that, good thing will never come to you. You will never get good thing in your life. You know? You will never have a good news. So, let's learn how to celebrate with people who is celebrating. Okay, guys? So, okay, guys, let's go there. So, our brother don't buy that car. So, the arrival of that car, as I said earlier, so I will share you the video at the end. Try to watch this video to the end as I said earlier, guys. Okay? So, this our brother, I like him. Why I like him? One thing, the first thing I like about him is that this our brother, he come from rich family, a rich parents. That is where this our brother come from. He don't even look that richness the family gets. He focus on your dream. If you have a dream, it's like this. But if not somebody will not get dream just now, he not go focus. They even say he get one time where his father tell him say, "Oh, my son, when they grow up," he say, "My son, no, this music of a thing, no, he don't want that. He want me you go school where." But our brother not listen to his father because he know his dream. Yes, he know his dream. So our brother not listen. He focus. Today now, you don't see him. Now billionaire. His family rich, he rich on his own. Because this one a family with this one a my own, na my maid day. But that one a family is a very big difference. Some people don't know that one. They think say your family don't get. But that one for the whole family. It gets as you will use and rich. Sometimes they will go carry your family car. The other one go dey vex say, Sassy don't carry Papa family for Papa car come out. Or he carry the other Jaguar come out. He carry the other Lexus come out. Now be one juice. Una go the dragon. But if now your own, now you work, now you sweat for it, now you buy and now your name day, say now your own. Anytime where you want use and nobody go say I be one use that car. Or nobody will come the dragon with you. Because this one now your whole thing. You understand me? So maybe the big difference way there. Then the second thing where I like this our brother put again. Maybe many people they talk and say our celebrating our stars. They know they help the poor. They know they help. They know they help the people that down. But last year last year I can't really they wash. Especially this our brother. The way some people they talk about her. I can't wash. I can't try to follow him up. So especially this year, I can count like 3 to 4 people where me I don't see. Although I'm not there, but where I see for news, where I see where they do, you understand? I'll feel count for now my people. That is the second thing where I like about her. Not be say only you just the shopper, the money alone, they see anybody. If they see they try, if they help some people where he go feel help. Because nobody say only you go feel help all the Nigerians. All the Nigerians where they suffer. Only you no feel help all the whole world. You understand? You go feel still do the one way you go feel still do, you go leave the rest. You understand me? I wish now so everybody they do one for the country. Everywhere for good. You understand me? So my people, that is the second thing I like this our brother put. And forgive me if you don't know this our brother. Our brother now Davido is from Nigeria. Is our big star for Nigeria. Is a singer. Is a big singer. You understand? Is a big singer. He always give us the best music, and we enjoy his music. So guys, let me leave your comment down below. Tell me what you think about this video until I come your way next time. Thank you.
No, good. No cap.
Right?
Never cap, bro. Never cap. I don't want to talk. You want to hurry?
Yo, man.
Hey, don't cap, man. Hey, pour some Hennessy on my shit.
Yeah.
Oh, Menace. Put some Hennessy on my shit. Nigga talking about,
little paint job, but you. Oh, this is.